What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Get Busy Drizzy, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm at the shop where my car's supposed to be getting painted. And it's like, you know what I'm saying? I said I was gonna take my car, but instead what I did was I told them to paint my car so I can go somewhere else to get my floors done. I go to another shop to get my floors done, just so I can be ready, you know what I'm saying, in time to get my rims put on. But now that my parts for my QA1 parts are on back order, I gotta call Winter Circle and see about that. I told them just paint it and I'll take it somewhere else to get the floors done in time, just in time for my order should be coming in by then. But man, as y'all see, nothing has changed, man. And I would stay down here all day if I didn't have, I have yards to go cut. I have like 2 yards I gotta go cut, so I can't stay down here. And the fact that I gotta stay down here just for my car to get done is crazy. I know I sound like a broke worker. I had some people that inboxed me on Instagram. Thank y'all for inboxing me, man. You know what I'm saying? I understand what y'all saying, but at the same time, if I take my car from here, I'm gonna be sitting in somebody else's shop doing the same thing. So I'm kind of gonna ride this one out. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all suggestions. You know what I'm saying? And one thing I do, I listen to everything and everybody tell me, because you always can learn from somebody new. You always can learn from somebody new. So, you know what I'm saying? We just ran to the store real quick. Hopefully they start doing something today. So if I turn this camera back on, they doing something, y'all know what's going on. If I'm in the car going home, y'all know it wasn't good. But make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, click the post notification buttons. I'm on the road to 1,000, man. I'm almost there, man. Everybody tell a friend, go subscribe, man. So we get this ball on the road. So once this come out of here, everything, I sent my door panels to Nick already. Nick already got my door panels. So the only thing I gotta do is Diego go put my headliner in, hook my sunroof up, and then I'm just waiting on my springs and my sway bars to come on back order from Winter Circle. That's it, man. I might not have made it summer, but I hope I can make it fall, man. So let me be right back with y'all. What's up, gang? I'm back with the video. Just got done doing the detail. One of my homies, man, y'all seen on my channel a couple times, man. My boy D Welch, man. Just got done detailing his joint. Gotta put a little spit in it. He's decent though, he's well with it. Yeah, right, man. If y'all looking for raps, anything like that, find them at YouTube. Bro will be coming to St. Louis with me. We're gonna be going out there together. I don't know if I'm gonna drive, he gonna drive, but we're gonna do it together. Be right, let's see him catching up, driving off. So that witness right there. Today. It was not nice. It was not nice at all. Down there. I don't even redo my car. I'm going to just paint my car. Just get out of there, man. I'm tired of being down there. Like I'm being bad. I mean, if I ain't from where they at. See that? That go to my steering wheel. But these things are good. This might be a long little part of the video, y'all. I fought. Really appreciate the food we did. For a minute, y'all already know. When I first got all these pieces, it was chrome. Not really. SS pieces, y'all know they are. Y'all get the memo on the being gold. This is what I want y'all to see. This right here. This right here is the fire control. The dude who did this, he is from Indiana. I will be putting his Facebook information in here if y'all in the Chicago area or somewhere looking for gold to be done. I'll see y'all later. Nice and clean too. Now what I need to see is, he told me about it. Yeah. My gold pieces are in. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification buttons, man. Join the Get Busy gang, man. I appreciate everybody what they recommending and they feedback. I appreciate y'all. I'll be back with y'all another video.